Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use SharkFin on Bitget. First, go to the Bitget website and make sure you log in with your account. Now, click on Earn from the top menu to access various earning products. Then, select SharkFin from the options. SharkFin is a structured investment product that offers a guaranteed minimum return with the potential for higher variable returns depending on the market performance. On the SharkFin page, you'll see your total assets and total profits at the top. Scroll down to view all available SharkFin products. Here, you can check important details like the product name, APR range, and the price range that affects your earnings. Once you've reviewed the options, click on Subscribe next to the product you're interested in. A new page will open showing detailed info, including the APR range, showing your minimum and potential maximum returns, price range, investment duration, settlement date, and subscription progress. Now, enter the amount you want to subscribe with for the specific product. Then, check the box to confirm that you've read and agreed to the user agreement and click Confirm to complete your subscription. After subscribing, you can return the product range to check more advantages like a principal guarantee, a fixed APR of 3.00%, and the enhanced to earn more through variable APR based on the market trend. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.